What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set the video brightness to normal or bright in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, scroll down and here click on video brightness. So from here you can set the video brightness to normal or bright. So if you want to set your video brightness to normal, then tap on normal, and after selecting normal, your device will play videos using your phone's normal screen brightness. And if you set your video brightness to bright, then your phone will temporarily increase the screen brightness and make colors more vibrant. So that's how you can set the video brightness to normal or bright in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.